Hello, my good friend, Larry here, and welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Today, I'd like to show you the newest of my Visconti collection, one that I've been wanting to get for a while, and it's right here in this box, and it's the troll pen. Not really, I'm just kidding. It's the Visconti Homo Sapien Lava Blizzard. And I'm sure you've already heard about that billions of times, but here it is. Finally made it home to me, and I bought this pen from Federalist Pens and Paper. Yeah, that's where I got it from. And what I like about Federalist Pens and Paper, it's a decent price. They pack it well, and they get it shipped out pretty darn quick. And I like that, okay? Because, you know, I'm that kind of person that, where's my pen? So, let's go ahead and take a look inside the box. Right here comes with a white sleeve over the pen box with Visconti on the front of the box. And a beautiful, elegant pen case. To me, it reminds me of a real durable type of cardboard, something that's not going to bend in, but it's really nice.
It reminds me a bit of an old jewelry box.
It could do that too, and you know, you could use it for whatever. So they kind of got away from the more expensive pen case, in my opinion, and that's great because they put that cost more, or save that cost more rather, to get a nicer pen, because all this adds up, the pen case and the pen, you put it all together. It depends how much you spend on for the pen case. The presentation's all important for Visconti, for anybody that does pens. So this is a really nice, well-made box. So let's open it up. Nothing in the back there. Usually you'll see the logo, but no need for that, I guess. Here is this elegant, beautiful pen. So let's take this out for a minute and let's see what's underneath here. Of course, you're going to get the little booklet of Visconti. It tells you about the Visconti and the different pens that Visconti has. And it's nice and secure. And it comes in a plastic sleeve that I'm going to take out. And we're going to put over here. And we're going to talk a little bit about the pen. I don't want to bore you. But beautiful, gorgeous, to die for pen. Okay, this is the flagship line of the Visconti Homo Sapien. And this is the latest. And this pen right here is the new in-house 14K Gold nib, which they are extremely nice nibs. I was totally impressed. The lava color is made from, of course, the well-known Visconti. Rock made this pen virtually unbreakable, but still very comfortable to write with. I know because I have many of these. The lava color is the collection of that perfect union of the catalyzed Mount Etna
Basaltic lava.
Colored resin, which is really some cool stuff, I think. It's just really a nice, beautiful color that just pops, right? It's got that rugged stone feel and texture with the natural colors, that rustic natural colors, which is really just a perfect combination for this beautiful, gorgeous pen. Now, the collection on the Visconti Homo Sapien was launched with the Red Inferno and then the Tan Sandstorm, which I've already showed and done reviews on. And each pen is accented by the black ruthenium trim. Beautiful. Look at this, if we can get a real nice close shot of that. And then also it features the anti-stain treatment that protects the pen and prevents the ink from depositing on the pen during filling, which is a good. What I like about this pen as well, it's got that magnetic closing system, which makes the opening, closing just with hardly any effort at all. Like the previous models of the Homo Sapien models, this pen fills with the Visconti
Patented.
power filling system, which I really like on this pen. Again, these pens now are the new in-house nibs with that 14K beautiful oversized nib, and we're going to get to that in a minute. And the new hand-polished nibs have been engraved in more contemporary design. And let's open this up now, and we'll get a real good look of that beautiful nib. Isn't that a gorgeous looking nib? That nib is gorgeous. Again, that's the new hand polished nib. Beautiful job they've done on this pen. And it has more of a contemporary design, but it keeps in the tradition with the Visconti. So, right here, you can see that crescent moon shape. Breather hole right there. You can get a good look at that right there. The entire pen is produced in only one place, Florence, Italy. I think that would be the heart of Italy where they come out of, at least for Visconti. Including the nib, and look at the feet, and the feed, and the housing, and each nib is plated in black ruthenium to match the color of the pen trim, which I really like as well. So let's close her up. Again, magnetic closing, which I like. That lava resin, beautiful color. Power filler. A really nice, gorgeous looking black ruthenium 14K gold. This is a broad nib. And nicely done by Visconti with the black trim. And then, as you see, the famous Visconti clip, like the bridge. And it's really nicely done and much more improved with Visconti on each side of the clip. And on top of the finial is the Visconti logo. And it's got two of the black rings right here in the center of the cap. And you go down and there's that beautiful wider band that has very distinctly done the Homo Sapien with the V for Victory Visconti. And as you go down this beautiful barrel of the Blizzard, it just you have a real narrow black band. And right here is the piston. So, posting. Does it post? Yes, it does post. And I think for me, I would probably use it on posting because I have small hands and it fits nicely in the hand. Even with large hands, it's going to accommodate those as well. It might be maybe a little top heavy if you posted it with the cap on top. But it's nicely done. As you go down the barrel, and there's really no step off. You're going to come to this little part right here where the grip section is, it's not a big grip section at all. It's just like your previous Visconti. But again, you can hold it. If you have big, large, chunky fingers, you're probably going to hold it here, which is fine as well. I've held many pens right up here before. But I have small fingers, so that works for me. So, and then as you go off, you see that black ring in the bottom here, and that beautiful nib. So, let's see something for a minute. Okay. Beautiful. And let's just unscrew this for the piston. And that pulls out. And then when you're ready to ink it, bam. Okay, so. Alright, so the length of the pen cap is going to be 5.7 inches. I like that little magnetic. Bam, it's closed. And then when you post it, it's going to be 6.8 inches, and the weight of the pen is 56 G's. The ink capacity for the piston filler is about 150, 152 mils. So now I have the complete set. I have the Inferno Red and the Sandstorm Brown. So one's in fine, one's in medium, and this is in broad. And I'll bring those out at a later date. You'll see them all together soon. What's really cool about the Homo Sapien is made from the freaking mountain from Mount
Etna.
Yes, in Italy there. So that's just freaking cool, beautiful. Like, oh my gosh! Yeah, now that's something to get high about right here, man. The one and only Visconti rocks. And, man, you know, Visconti heard the voice from the people about the nib. They listened, and they got on it, and they made and improved a really super-duper Visconti nib that I just adore. And that's just my opinion. Everybody's different. You may disagree, agree, that's cool, but that's my opinion. This pen rocks. It just knocks it right out of the ballpark. If you're a pen enthusiast or you're getting into pens and you're ready for a higher end pen, you can't go wrong with a Visconti. End of story, as far as I'm concerned. Beautiful pen. I love it. There's nothing about this pen that I dislike. So, what do you say? I'm going to ink it up with some
Mont Blanc Petite Prince.
Very good.
Sand of the desert.
Very good. Sand of the desert, sand of the desert, la. Okay.
Don't worry, he's really okay.
Here we go. I'm so excited. Oh my God, for real. I love fountain pens. I don't like paying for fountain pens. They're money, but if you want something nice, you're going to have to pay for it, and this is something nice. Well, they're all nice to me, right? Okay. So let's get this done. All righty, my good friends. Here we go. Unscrew it, just like law. Very simple. And then, blah. Get that power filling going, Bone. Here we go. I put it down, and then, bam. We're ready to rock and roll, baby.
Now that one does not have the hole that you have to cover with a finger.
No, that's on the Magna Carta. Magna Carta. Yes. Which is a beautiful pen, is it not?
Oh, yes.
Gorgeous pen, the Magna Carta. Beautiful pen. The Knight that you're talking about. Well, since I have the Franklin Christoph pad out, why don't we just go ahead and knock that out on this one. Get all my things together here. And put all this stuff aside so we can get to some writing and have a lot of fun here. You know, folks, I do have fun with my pens. That I do. It's a blessing. Okay. Oh, I just can't wait to taste this broad nib, and here we go. Sweet. And I'm just going to put this as I see it. This one is the beautiful Blizzard. I just love the way the nib goes to paper just right so well.
I can hear it a little bit, but it sounds real smooth.
Yeah, but it's not scratchy. Not at all. You'll hear it on the paper. Maybe I can try some different paper, but yeah, there's nothing wrong with the nib whatsoever. You know, and I hear it from other pens too. I hear it from Pilot and Omos and Sailor, Montegrappa, and so on. It does happen, but smooth nib, yes. Wet nib, yes. All right, so this is a broad nib. And while I'm at it, let me just, I am so well organized here, aren't I? Yes, yes. I am looking for something else. Let me just, for the heck of it, close this up and find, just for a minute. Okay, let me just, here's the Tomo River paper, just for the, I can. See the difference?
Oh, yeah.
Just a different paper. Okay, so there you go. Okay, here we go. So this is a broad nib, which is a 14K, right? Okay, and the beautiful ink I'm using, of course, is Mont Blanc. And these. Sands of the Desert. Downstroke and a cross stroke. Wet. Look at that. There's your witness right there. And you can get a little bit of the reverse writing, but not much. But there it is on that. Just some fast strokes here. It's got really great ink flow. There it is. And then later, I will do the nib comparisons with the fine, the medium, and the broad. So there you have it. The Visconti, Homo Sapien, Lava, Blizzard. Didn't I been calling it Breeze?
No, you just say Blizzard.
Okay, make sure I said Blizzard, because sometimes I tend to call it the Breeze. I don't know why. I guess my mind's starting to go, oh my gosh. Okay, settle down. Oh, family a little bit. Oh, I'm all burned up because I got the Visconti in my hand. Oh, gosh almighty. Mwah! Magnifique! Folks, thank you for joining me today on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. I had a blast. I always have a blast because I'm having some fun with the pens. So, as always, peace and lots of love. And please take care of yourself out there. Wash your hands, wear the mask, do the social distancing, follow the rules. And as always, my friends, please don't do this in the car, text and drive. Save your life, save someone else's. Thank you. God bless. Until my next one, be safe. Bye-bye.